Yo guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to create this distorted VHS effect in After Effects. Starting off, I'm gonna go right here, click right here on new, and create our first adjustment layer. Gonna go over here to effects and presets, and for the first effect I'm gonna add a signal. Drag it in right there. Starting off, I'm gonna go right here to new and create our first adjustment layer. Make sure it's above our clip right there. And for the first effect, I'm gonna add a signal. Go over here, go to emulated VHS and put on VHS LP. Go to luma modulation, turn off tape errors. Then we're gonna mess around with our frequency, phase, and lightness. First, for our frequency, we're gonna go right here and we're gonna put it down all the way to 0.501. Then for our phase, we're gonna put it at 2.101. Then for our lightness, we're gonna put it at 0.66. Gonna leave it right there and close out our menu. Then we're gonna go ahead and add glow to our effect. Let me zoom back in right there, drag it in. We're gonna put our threshold down to 51 and increase our radius to 398 or 398. Once after that, I'm gonna close out the glow menu right there. Once after glow, I'm gonna go ahead and add noise. Go down right here, drag it in, turn off use color noise, and put our amount on 13. Close out our menu, save our project, and that is how you create a distorted VHS effect in After Effects. If you did like this video or you learned something new, I would love it if you were to subscribe, like, or leave a comment. And apart from that, keep working hard, keep on staying creative, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.